All right, guys, so I've gotten a lot of questions on what to do when you print a shipping label and then the buyer cancels or they need to change their address. So you need to cancel the order and void the shipping label. How do I void the shipping label? Couldn't really find a video under like 10 minutes on this, so I'm going to try to just make one really quick. First off, you're here in your seller hub and you go to orders and then shipping labels. You can obviously do it right there, or you can do it right here as well. Then you'll scroll down and you'll see all your shipping labels that you've printed on eBay. You can come to whatever order that you need to void. Click Actions, Cancel Label, and then select the reason why. Once you cancel it, I'm not going to cancel this one because I don't actually need to, but once you cancel it, it will give you a range of like 3 to 14 days that you will be refunded by. Basically, if the carrier does not scan in your package in that time period, then they will refund your money. So that's it for eBay. Now let's say that you're using PirateShip. It's going to be basically the same thing. You've got all your orders right here. Click on the order, scroll down to the bottom, click refund label. Easy peasy. So hopefully this was able to help you nice and quick. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.